Okay, now for our button. So here we have our jump button. So let's anchor to this point, and then we need to resize our button something like this. Let me see. Okay, and okay, come. Great, and let's move it, and we put it right here. Um, then we need to select the text. We have right here missing font, so I'm going to assign this Arial font, and by the color I want this to be black, and scale the text something like there. Okay, now take the jump button and make a duplicate. We just need to put the duplicate right here, and let's rename it as attack button. Okay, so in the handler, skip button handler, we need to assign here the fire one name, and let's take the text and we put the attack. Oops. Okay, now we need to go to our sprites, my mobile controls, and you need to do these sprites as texture type sprite 2D 512. You know how to do this. So we're gonna program the on-click events. So let's take our jump button, and we need to change this button spacebar sprite for with the red. Okay, so we have it here, and then the same for the attack. We need to assign this button. Okay, great. Now let's select our jump button, and let's create a new element. This is going to be an UI image. Where are UI image? Okay, and this is going to be called a blue button, and we're going to put it up of the text like this, and we do the same for the attack button. We make an UI image. This is gonna be called a green button, and the same, let's put it down of attack button. So here we have it. Now we need to assign the blue button. Our source image is going to be our blue button. Okay, so we need to assign the same width and height of our jump button to our blue button. So let's take the width, copy, and paste it on the width of the blue button. Okay, the same for the height of the jump button, copy into our blue button height. Alright, and let's do the same for our green button. So let's take our green button, let's take the graphic, and we do the same. The attack button width, copy, green button width, paste. Okay, and for the height, copy and paste. Great. Now let's select our jump button, and let's go to the trigger. So we need here in our pointer down, we need to click on the plus sign, so we have two behaviors. So in this one, we're going to assign our blue button, and we're gonna say, okay, the game object set active ball. Okay, now let's assign the same thing for our pointer up, let's click on the plus sign, and let's give the blue button, and for the function a game object, set active, and we mark this. Okay, so let's preview. Okay, we need to preview the behaviors. So it's okay, great, it's working. That is what I want. So right now let's do the same for our attack button. So we click on the plus sign, but now here we're gonna put our green and set game object, set active, great, and in the pointer up, another behavior where we put our green button and game object, set active ball, and we need to check this mark. So let's preview our two buttons. Okay, it's working. Okay, great. Now we need to program this. So let's go to our script character movement of our player. Script player character movement. Great. So let's go to the update function where we get the here get button down. So here we're gonna set that our cross-platform input manager that get button down jump. Okay, and for the attack, let's see where is my attack. Right here I got my attack, and I need to set okay cross-platform input manager get button down fire. Okay, great. So now let's save the code and let's see. So we have the attack function, yes, and the jump button. So great, now we have our all of our controls for mobile devices. So now in the next lessons we're going to see how to export our game to Android and how to implement ads for commercialization. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.